Number 16. Have a quick snack. It means to eat a small amount of food quickly.
Let's have a quick snack before we go. Let's have a quick snack before we go. He had a quick snack during the break. He had a quick snack during the break. She likes having a quick snack after jogging. She likes having a quick snack after jogging.
Number 17. Have a smell. It means to emit an odor, often unpleasant.
The fridge has a smell. We should clean it. The fridge has a smell. We should clean it. Do you notice that this room has a smell? Do you notice that this room has a smell? Old books often have a musty smell. Old books often have a musty smell.
Number 18. Have strong opinions. It means to hold definite and often forceful views on various topics.
She has strong opinions about politics. She has strong opinions about politics. They have strong opinions on education reform. They have strong opinions on education reform. He has strong opinions and often debates them. He has strong opinions and often debates them.
Number 19. Have sympathy. It means to feel compassion or pity for someone else's misfortune.
I have sympathy for those affected by the storm. I have sympathy for those affected by the storm. She had sympathy for her friend's situation. She had sympathy for her friend's situation. Many people have sympathy for refugees. Many people have sympathy for refugees.
Number 20. Have a taste. It means to try something to see what it's like.
Have a taste of this delicious cake. Have a taste of this delicious cake. He had a taste of scuba diving last summer. He had a taste of scuba diving last summer. She had a taste of acting in school plays. She had a taste of acting in school plays.